want to see if you can.
Pues es no realistic.
È finito o devi iniziare? Ah, c'è...
Throw myself straight in the deep end. Boom, I'm just gonna make a long story short. I don't really have an exact idea of what I'm trying to do here, but I have like an overall vision, and I know that for me to get there, I've got to do these little steps, you get me? So we're gonna figure it out as we go along. The G's got some cool and hopefully I can document that. One thing that I do know that I want to try, I want to try and have like different cameras. Like this video was done on an iPhone 12. Man lost all my build back up, but it's cool because you can then see progress. Ideally, I know the cameras that I want to use next, so hopefully boom 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 boom. But yeah, yo, also I don't know who needs to hear this, but sleep is the cousin of death and perfectionism is the cousin of procrastination. So be careful, because telling yourself, oh, you want it to look perfect, it's gonna end up killing your whole dreams, your whole vision, your whole idea, you get me? Just do it, and trust me, I'm a man that, yo, this is me actively trying to practice that I'm not perfect, you get me? So in a bit.